Chud327. I've just picked up 2 mud mowers for the channel. These have already had some stuff done to them. There's a red Murray, there's a green Yard Machines. Let's go look at the details. Yard Machines has ATV hubs on the front. It's got ATV tires and wheels on the front. On the back it's got some nice vampires like those. The seat on it looks good. Holds water great. Under the hood, 15 horse Briggs & Stratton. And I think my favorite part about it is the Super Swamper Vampires. Let's get a shot of those. Now the Yard Machines has all stock pulleys. It's just a mower with tires that's been put on it. Now let's check out the Murray. The Murray has 4 lug hubs on the front, 4 lug hubs on the back. ATV tires all around, but they are slick as can be. Here's a shot at the Murray pulley. He said he did a little bit of welding. Looks like maybe a 6-inch on the front. And the back is the stock, what's that, a 9-inch? And here's a shot of the custom exhaust. I'm getting ready to hear it. As soon as the battery gets charged and we get a little gas. Step 1, the battery is out. Now I'm going to go to the battery charger, see what happens. So just push the Murray back to the garage, trying to get away from some of that wind noise. I'm going to start with the Murray because it's got a real transmission and it's got more horsepower. And I'm looking at tire options. This is a 22-10-10. What's on it right now is a 22-10-10 worn out. That would go right on, but it's not going to have a whole lot of mud traction. Or I've got this. This is a Goodyear 25-11-10. It would go on, but it's going to need a lift kit. Would do pretty good in the mud. Would make it faster. Decisions. What I really need is a couple of front tires. The front tires aren't even holding air. Update on the Murray. I just ran the shop vac through the gas tank. It looks good. I'm going to change out the old dirty filter for this new clean filter. And I stole a piece of gas line off of a parts mower. Won't be long now. Okay, the air filter's in, the gas line's on, there's gas in it. I even put the battery back in it. It's already charged for 4 or 5 hours. And then when I got the key, this is off the Poland. The key don't fit. Every mower I own takes a key like this, but not old Murray. So I went to my spare keys, and there it is right there. I think that's going to work. Let me switch hands. Same thing on the Yards machine. It's going to take a little key like this. I say it is. Hold on. So this Craftsman key does not want to work. This lawnmower key, it does not want to work. But then I found this little Ruger key. I can hear the power coming on down there. But nothing. The guy said it might need a solenoid. I guess he knows what he's talking about. But the Ruger key's going to fall out when I'm riding. Have to tie a string to it. The battery that came with this didn't want to turn it over. It'd turn over about halfway and stop. So I put Colonel Craftsman's battery in there. Same thing. So now I'm going to hot wire it. I just did, and it spun over really good. I just poured a little gas in the carburetor. Let's see what happens. So now I've got the hot wire hooked up to the battery. Goes straight to the starter. And now the ground's going to go straight to the starter. Clutch does not work very good. Slows it down some, but it does steer easy. Alright, let me know what you think. I like it. Runs good. First things first, I want new back tires on it. And I'm thinking it's already got the wrong belt. Might as well do a pulley swap. Here's a 5-inch. But that could make it too fast. Let me know what you think about the Murray. And Yard's machine should be next. Let me know if you want to see Yard machines next. Thanks for watching.